here for an unboxing for the girls out there. This is Kidpik. And you may remember, if you saw my blog, I reviewed a few weeks ago Kidpik Basics, which is you just buy the item. But this is Kidpik subscription, and it is a free box of clothes, and you only pay for what you get. So there's no subscription fee, there's no stylist fee. You have 1 week to return the items you don't want before they charge you. But if you like them all, you get a 30% buy all discount, or you can just keep the pieces you like and send the rest back, and they'll just pay for what you keep. This is voted the 2019 best children's subscription box, and it's just for girls. Girls sizes 4 to 16, and it's really affordable too. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
To see what's in here?
Yeah!
It's really fun. You take a little stylist quiz. It asks what styles do your kids like, include shoes or not, different things like that. I think it's gonna include 7 items. And I'm really excited to see what they included. This is just for one girl. We got in here a girl size 4. So you ladies are gonna have to share this stuff. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna open it up, and we're not gonna go bonkers, right? Wait. All right, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, we got a little magazine. Girl Style by Kidpik, that's fun. Oh, so this is the basics. You can buy the items, buy the pieces. Ooh, okay, so let's see. Wait, stop. Oh, look.
Can I have this? No.
Show the camera.
Look at this. A sunglasses for me.
Sunglasses, you wanna put them on?
Yeah.
And look at this. Oh, super cute. A denim shirt with like a frayed bottom.
Look at me.
So these are Kidpik is the brand.
Mommy, look at me.
Oh, look at the camera. Wow, those are adorable. Oh, we got shoes.
Go for me.
Oh, those are for you. Okay, come here. We got a, look. Happy Vibes t-shirt. No, I think just one of each thing. And we're sharing, remember?
This for me that I didn't have.
Okay, can I see the shoes? Oh, these are super cute. Okay, show them your shoes.
My shoes.
Fisherman sandals. Cute little frilly. It's got all these frills. It's
Only me. You have
super cute summer dress. Some little navy shorts, elastic waist. We love that. A little basic blue, baby blue t-shirt. And oh, you guys missed something in the bag. This says a gift for you. Should we open it? Ready? Oh. What is it? Wait, one hand.
It's Mia.
It's just one. You share it. Oh! So this is a cute little extra gift. Love. So cute and dainty. I feel like they're gonna just rip it off of each other though. All right, so we're gonna get dressed and do a little fashion show for you guys. Are you ready? Don't forget to subscribe. Here we go.
It's lesson. See you later. And set the bell now that we're guys.
Yes.
Yes. Don't forget. You will miss our videos if you don't.
If you don't click the bell to get notifications. That's right. Bye guys. We love our Kidpik box, huh? We're gonna keep it all, aren't we? Thanks for sending it, kidpik. We love you guys, and we love all you out there watching. Bye-bye.